Hey everybody, it is Matt at Premier Advantage Marine. You're looking at the brand new 2026 Four Winds H9. We got this in a beautiful pearl gray with a black stripe. As you can see, we have the terraces down on the port and starboard side, but they fold up when you are running down the lake. We have a 8.2 big block 430 horsepower Bravo 3 Mercruiser and extended swim platform. We'll head up into it. Looking here at the back of the boat, both of these seats face up. So you can face out port or starboard on the boat. And this back seat does lean both ways, so you can be facing backwards or forwards. Moving into the boat, you see that we have JL audio, a power tower that goes all the way down, stainless steel cup holders and stitching all throughout the side of the boat. We have gray snap-in SeaDek flooring that is very soft on the feet and very easy to clean. We have twin Simrad dash screens, a bow thruster for the front, all your controls for bilge, controlling the tower, blower, all your most important buttons are there. Everything else is on the screen. You have a sink with storage below, but we do have the option to have a fridge if that is desired. If you have any more questions on the boat, give me a call. Matt Rogers at Premier Advantage Marine at Lake the Ozarks.